Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how you can install the VS Code in Ubuntu 24.04. So if you are in a development domain and you use VS Code, so you are at a correct place. So you have to just click on this button App Center and you have to go into development and search for the code. And also you can see here as well like VS Code is coming up, but if you are not able to see it, you have to simply search for the code and it will appear. So here you can see the Visual Studio code and channel and all you can see, and you can simply click on this install button and enter your password. Yeah, so it will take a few seconds of time to get installed, and then we'll see the icon of our VS Code in our all app section. So here we can see it. So we'll just wait till the installation is done. So it's almost done, yeah. Okay. Okay, so it is installed and it took for me around 2 to 3 minutes of time. So here you can see the option of open, but we can just go in show apps, and here also you can see VS Code is here. Just click on it and I will simply close this. And yeah, here you can see the VS Code is now here. Setup Copilot and all the options are coming up. So in this way you can install the VS Code and use it for your development purpose. So that's all, and if you have any questions please ask us in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.